Okay, viewers, I've just come into the Aaudio imports room, and we know this product. This is the Wilson Benesch. This is the Taurus, and there's Brian Ackerman from Aaudio imports. Brian, how are you?
Good.
You have really reinvented Aaudio imports over the past couple of years. The product line has been revamped with better sounding products, in my opinion.
Thank you.
Better looking products, in my opinion.
Thanks.
And it's really turning out totally state of the art. So tell us what we have here today, please.
Okay, so today we have the Wilson Benesch resolution speakers. These are brand new. The first showing in the U.S. They were shown in Munich back in May, and we have them here now. And this sits in the line second from the top. Only one model above, called the Cardinal.
And how about over here?
Okay, so this is the rack by Wilson Benesch, the R1 carbon rack.
You were just showing us that this rack is attachable. These viewers, the rack sits on, these are solid steel?
Solid steel bearings.
My goodness gracious. And they're sitting in, it looks like some type of Titech or carbon or ceramic kind of fitting. So then you stack them on top of each other.
Yeah, so the rack is modular, so you can buy as many modules as you need and stack them. They come in different heights, different widths, different depths. They're all custom made. So the shelves are carbon fiber with a foam core, with a beautiful milled edging of aluminum.
Look at that.
And then they're sitting on carbon bars to dissipate the energy.
Look at
And
that as well.
They can handle pretty much any amount of weight.
My goodness.
And they retail at $8,500 per module. And they're quite heavy. I'd say close to 100 pounds per module. And then this is the Thales Compact 2 with the Thales Simplicity tone arm, a key to Kai cartridge that I always love to use. It shows.
Yeah, they're great cartridges.
It's a winning combination. And then below that's the Ypsilon phono stage, and then below that is the Ypsilon preamp, active preamp. So the Ypsilon gear is tube, and then the amps over here are hybrid, called the Alias 2. This is a new model. They've revamped the Alias, the original Alias, to the Alias 2, and it was great in its original form. Now it's even better. And we're using one of the modules for the amp stand, so you can also use them as an amp stand as well.
Yeah, that's really cool. They have the HB cable design
Yeah, the
distributor.
HB Marble power distributor over there. All stage 3 cables. The Kraken Leviathan power cords back here. Gorgon interconnects, and the Medusa speaker cable. So all the top stuff.
Well, very cool. Can we do some listening?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's do that next, viewers. Here we go. That was beautiful. The cellist was in the room with us. Brian, you're a great portfolio manager when it comes to selecting equipment. The Wilson Benesch line is, to me, it's now in the top echelon of audio equipment in the world. The fit and finish, the awards they've been winning, the technology in the stands. Of course, the Ypsilon, we know it. It just is world class. And all together with the cabling and your expertise, you've assembled one of the best-selling systems here in California this weekend. Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, as we leave the Aaudio imports room, take out this Metaxas headphone amplifier. Look at that, guys. Is that cool or what? You put the headphones on top and it holds the headphones, and then it's also an amplifier. I mean, wow. Hats off to Aaudio imports.